Hello everyone, today is about LR parser. See, LR parser is a bottom-up parser. It is a bottom-up parser. See, LR parser is divided into four types: LR0 items, SLR1, LR1, and CLR1. See, SLR means simple. It means simple LR parser. LLR means look ahead LR parser, and CLR means canonical LR parser. See, LR0 and SLR1 follow LR0 items, canonical collection of LR0 items, and LR and CLR1 follows LR1 items. See, now we start with, see, another thing is LR0 is least powerful than SLR1, SLR1 is least powerful than LLR1, and LLR1 is least powerful than CLR1. Means the most powerful is this one, CLR1, and LR0 is the least powerful parser. See, LR0, now we start with LR0. See, before starting with LR0, I want to tell you one thing is, in LL1 we have seen two things. What is first and follow? If you remember, first and follow, you have seen two things, first and follow. Similarly, in LR0 we also two things. One is closer, and another is go to. Closer and go to. We'll see these two things. Now see, this is a given production S, A, and A derives A, small a. See, small a is the terminal. See, what do you mean by LR0 items? LR0 items means if the production is given like this and here dot is given, then it determines that it's LR0 items. LR0 items. Here dot is given. The meaning of dot here means LR0 items. Now, if we see like this, A dot B means we have seen only A, means left hand side we have seen only A, means we are interested in the left hand side. If the production is like this, means AB and dot is on the right hand side, means in the left hand side we have seen AB, it means we have seen everything. We have seen everything in the left hand side and nothing is remaining in the right hand side. This is the meaning of LR0 items. Now this is the given production and we will find LR canonical collection of LR0 items. Now what we will do? See, first we'll find the closer, then we'll go to the go to. See, closer means S. See, S is given. S, this is the production given, and we have to add another production. This is called augmented grammar. See, this is called augmented grammar. S dash dot S. This is the LR0 item. See, S dash dot S dash dot S. This is called augmented grammar. Augmented grammar. This production is called augmented grammar. Now see, we have seen, see, dot is followed by S, so we have to write the S production also. Now here also we get one dot. See, dot is followed by S, so we have to write the S production. This is the rule of this. Now see, this dot is followed by A. Now we have to write A also. So A production also we have to write. This is the closer of LR0 items. See, this production is given, and what we have written, see, we have added another production, that is S dash dot S. This is the augmented grammar. See, in every example of LR0 items, we have to add this augmented grammar. Means we have to add this production. See, we have see, dot is followed by S. Then we have to write the S production also, and again dot is followed by A. Then we have to write the A production also. And this is it. We have got the terminal. So for terminal, no production is there. So means here only this step completes. Now this is the closer part. Now we'll move to the go to part. See, the go to part means DFA, drawing DFA. Means drawing DFA. The go to part means drawing DFA. Now we'll draw DFA for this. See, this is the closer part. Now we'll move to the steps. This is the state number I0. So see, now after getting S, now we'll apply shift operation S. After seeing S, we will go to S and the dot will go here. And dot will go here. See, dot will move at the right hand side of the S. So we have seen at the left hand side S and nothing is there. So this is the reduce. This is the reduce move. And here, see, for every start portion there is $1. Dollar means accept. Means at the last of the, means we have reached at the last of the string. So at every production, every start production will get $1. If you write and don't write, it does not means anything in LR0. So it is a reduce move. Now see, after seeing cubulator A, so we'll apply as A dot A. See, A dot A. See, dot is followed by A. Now we have to write the A production again. See, dot is followed by A. Now we have to write the A production A again. So what we will get? A dot A. So this state is complete. Now we'll move for this production. See, for this production we got this, for this production we got this, and for this production small a will apply for small a. See, now dot is moved. See, dot is moved. Now dot is in the right hand side of A. Now see, nothing is there, so we have seen everything of this. So this is the reduce move. This is the reduce move. Now see, now we'll apply. See, this state is not complete because A is remaining here and this A also is remaining. So A, after seeing cubulator A, so S A dot means we have seen everything here. Means in this step we have seen everything. Nothing is there. See, at the right hand side nothing is there. So now we apply for small a. See, if we apply for small a, we will go to this state only. How? See, if we apply LR0 items, means dot, after seeing dot we will get this state. See, dot will move the right hand side, so we will get this state only. So I have given arrow to this state, means I am pointing to this state. So this is about means DFA of this whole diagram is called DFA, and this is called canonical collection of LR0 items, canonical collection of LR0 items. See, this is state number 0, this is state number 1, state number, you have to name it like this, means in this sequence wise. State number 4, and there are how many states? There are total 5 states are possible. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, mean total 5 states are possible. So this is the reduce move. This is the reduce move because we have seen everything, and the right hand side nothing is present. So this is the reduce move. So, and this whole diagram is called canonical collection of LR0 items. So in the next video we will see the passing table of this diagram, means LR0 items. In the next video we will see the passing table of LR0 items. So thank you, thanks for watching.